Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afra and today's video is going to be my own recipe. This is a recipe that I made and it is a nacho quesadilla. Let's begin. Here I have some beans. This can be any bean of your choice. Then I have right here some salsa, can be any spice. Can be medium, soft, or harsh. Here I have some Mexican cheese. You can also use any cheese you want. Here I also have tortillas. You can also use any type of tortilla. I also have here some taco sauce. If you don't have any taco sauce, you can just use any sauce or like hot sauce you want. Now let's clear the space. Now it's all clear and let's begin. First, let's get the tortillas. Here we have one tortilla. Now I'm going to put some beans on it. Here I have my bean spread. Also, these are canned beans. And here I mashed the canned beans. Well, this is half a can of canned beans. And I spread it over my first tortilla. Now I'm going to put some taco sauce on it. Now I'm going to spread it with a spoon. There, I spread all of my taco sauce. Now I'm going to put some salsa on it. Here I have my salsa. Now I'm going to carefully place them in balls or any way you want. Make sure it does not go outside of the tortilla. There, I spread all of my salsa and now I'm going to put the cheese on. Now I have my Mexican cheese. This Mexican cheese contains 4 different types of cheeses. Now I'm going to spread this evenly throughout this nacho quesadilla. There, that's enough cheese for now. You can add as much as you want, but for now I'm just going to put this much. Now I'm going to put my other tortilla on top. Now I'm going to put my nacho quesadilla in my microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'll be right back after my nacho quesadilla is done in the microwave. Now here is my quesadilla. Now I'm going to slice it using a pizza cutter or any other. You can also use a knife, but I'm just using a pizza slicer. Now I'm done slicing. Now I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside. And there we have it. My nacho quesadilla recipe. I hope you all enjoy and I think it'll taste amazing. I also tried this once before and it tasted absolutely amazing in my opinion. I hope you try this. If you try my recipe at home, make sure to tell me how it tastes and looks on the Kids Impressions Facebook page. I hope you enjoyed my video and have a great day. Bye! I'll be right back after my nacho quesadilla is done in the oven. Microwave! I'll be right back after my quesadilla. Okay.